Welcome to the Introduction to 3D Character Modeling in Blender course. I'm Cisco Raya, character artist and professor for years in video games and 3D animation. That's why I'd like to share with you the knowledge I've gained over the years. This course is aimed at anyone who wants to get started in the world of 3D character creation, so no prior knowledge is required. We will learn the workflows for creating 5 cartoon-style characters from scratch, going through the stages of modeling, materials, lighting, and rendering. The characters are designed so that the learning curve is gradual and progressive. Each one has a specific learning purpose, through which we'll learn different techniques, all of them complementing each other. First, we'll get to know the most basic aspects of Blender, such as its interface, how to navigate the 3D world, and we'll get familiar with the modeling tools. At this point, we'll be ready to start modeling our first introductory character. Once it's modeled, we'll learn how to add color and light our model in order to achieve eye-catching, high-quality renders, so that our work stands out visually. From there, we'll move on to our second, more complex character, expanding on polygonal modeling techniques, paying attention to proportions and topology. Next, we'll take it a step further by creating our main character, working with simple shapes and soft details, using images and design guides. We'll do a brief introduction to shape keys to create facial expressions, and we'll build an immersive environment that enhances the character. The design of our next character will allow us to keep discovering new workflows and explore new personalities. The goal of our final character, the most advanced one, will be to put into practice and reinforce all the modeling knowledge and techniques we've learned throughout the course. We'll create a final group render, integrating all the characters we've developed during the course. Finally, I'll show you how to publish your final renders on a globally recognized digital platform. The course consists of 18 sections and 25 hours of content, where we'll learn in a clear, structured, and detailed way. It's recorded at normal speed, focusing on understanding the reasons behind things so you can build a solid foundation. I'm making a series of free videos available to you, so you'll be encouraged to dive into this fascinating 3D world. Best regards, see you soon.